Hi, this is Tenorshare AI. If you are a student and have lots of paper to read every day, trust me, today's video can change everything because I will teach you how to summarize your research paper in just 60 seconds using AI Summarize tool, which is really a game changer. So before we start, remember to like and subscribe. Then, let's go. So, to summarize my research paper in just 60 seconds, I use Tenorshare ChatPDF, which is an AI-powered PDF summarizer. All I need to do is upload the paper and ask it questions about the paper. Then it will give me the answers. Sounds amazing, right? Let me show you how to use it. First, we need to go to the official website of Tenorshare AI. Click Start Chatting for free. Then click here to upload our file. Now we come to the reading screen, and here's the content of the paper. On this side, there are the recommended questions in case we don't have a clue. Next is the most important part of the questioning process. I'd like to ask about what is AHA simplex. See, I got my answer very quickly. In addition, Tenorshare ChatPDF also supports multilanguage, such as English, Japanese, French, Korean. It is really convenient for multilanguage users. So, stop spending tons of time reading every single paper every day. Try Tenorshare ChatPDF. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this useful. See you next time.